I'm good. Frightened. Auntie look too lazy.
Me say, I hear things of what me say. I get up this morning and I take me say no gas not there. Them body with the gas, you know. Me call the gas some yesterday, 8 o'clock, and now I know no gas to come. And me a fear out there do all sort of sitting. Me say, oh, what she did, the Chicketa she there? Chicketa! Chicketa! That blasting pin in her ear, you know. But wait, I'm going to call her mama. Because she don't have no manners. And from yesterday, me I look for her last night and I can't find where she there. Me say me dead asleep. I don't know what. Me alone there because Chicketa gone to school. So I don't know what kind of nice. Is either she left her man or one brown skeleton sitting in here. And she so cute. Me can't no nice, no nice. And then when they done then telling me say me deaf. Me look like people were deaf. Look on me. Me look like me deaf.